책 속의 퐁당, 퐁당TV. Sound of the Spring by Youngmi. It's a dark night. Ding dong, the doorbell is ringing. Who's there? Tap tap, window, is that you? Whoa, whoa, wind, is that you? Murmur, is that you, Brooke? Swish, swash, leaf, is that you? Let's go back to bed. Ding dong, ding dong. Who else is there? The raindrops are dabbing. Hello, it's spring rain. The spring rain is drizzling. Going back to sleep with the sound of the rain. Sounds are a very important part of the brain development for infants. Experiencing various sounds and expressing them with words will be very helpful. So, let's see what sounds are being made by spring. See you next week. Bye! 책 속의 퐁당, 퐁당TV.